So hello friends, today in this video we will learn some of the interesting concepts on numbers and integers. So let's see, this is our first question. How many positive factors does 250 have? So whenever we are required to find the total number of factors, positive factors, what we have to do? We simply have to write the number, let's say number n, in its prime factorization form. So let's say the prime factors are a and to the power, let's say x multiplied by prime factor b to the power y. These only two prime factors are there in the number n. So the total number of factors will be simply we need to increase these powers by 1 and multiply them. So what will be the total number of factors? Total number of factors will be x plus 1, y plus 1. So accordingly now our number in this case is 250. So 250 can be written as 2 into 5 to the power 3, that is 2 to the power 1 into 5 to the power 3. So our prime factors are 2 and 5, and our powers of these prime factors are 1 and 3. So what we need to do, we simply need to add 1 to these powers, that is 1 plus 1, and multiply them. So that means 2 into 4, so 8. So uh, total number of positive factors of 258 is 8. We can see some of them as example, like 250, one factor will be 1, another factor will be 250 itself, then 2 into 125. So these are two other factors. Okay, then what we can write? We can also say it as 5 into 50. So likewise, there will be total, it will be more. So total 8 number of factors will be there in case of 250. So simply we need to see whenever we are required to find, as I have already told, that whenever we are required to find total number of positive factors, what we need to do? We need to express that number in its prime factorization form, and each prime factor raised to the power whatever are there. Okay, and then we need to increase the power by 1 and multiply them. So we will get the total number of factors. For example, if we need to find the total number of factors of 6, so it will be how much? 2 into 3, so each have power 1. So 1 plus 1 into 1 plus 1, that means 2 into 2, that means total 4 factors are there in case of 6. We can also check, so 1 into 6, 2 into 3, 3 into 2. So these are same. So there are total 4 factors. Okay. Now this is the concept. You need to memorize it. Now we will move to the next question. Now see, identify whether 275625 is a square of an integer. So what we are basically need to find, we need to find that first we need to convert this number in its prime factorization form, and then we need to see that each prime factors are raised to the power of even number of powers. So if these are even number of powers, each prime factors, then definitely that integer, that is the number given number, will be n square of an integer. Otherwise, it will not. It will be not. Okay. So we can check the prime factorization of this number. It is very easy. We can do it in using our basic concept. So it will be like 5, 5, 1, 2, 5, and again, so it will be like 1, 1, 0, 2, 5. Then it will be 2, 2, 0, 5. Then again 5. It will be 4, 4, 1. Then it will be 3 we can use, so 1 4 7, and then again 3, so it will be 49. So 7 and 7. Okay, so now we can check their total 4 number of 5s. So 5 to the power 4 multiplied by their total 2 number of 3s. So 3 to the power 2, and their total 2 number of 7s. So because each of the prime factors of this given number 275,625 is raised to the power even number of powers. So therefore when we square root it, what we will get? We will get 5 to the power 2 into 3 into 7. So this is our number. When we square this number, so we get 275,625. Therefore, this number is a square of an integer. Now we will move to the next question. What is the value of x so that 40560 multiplied by x is a square of an integer? Again, same concept. We just need to break this number in its prime factorization form, and then we need to see that how many prime numbers are short of the even numbers, and that number, this x, will take that form on minimum side. So we can simply again do this maths. So it will be 2 we will use first. So 20280, then 210140, then again we will take 25070, then again we can take 2, so it will be like this. Then we can take 5, so 507. 507 means 5 plus 7 12, so multiplied by, it is a multiple of 3, so we will take 3, so 169, and we know that 13 into 13 is 169, so that's why this. Okay, so we can see there are total 1 2 3 4, so total 4 number of 2's. Okay, and there is only one number of 5, there is only one number of 3, and there are total 2 number of 13's. So when we multiply by x, so this whole product should be an square of an integer. So on minimum side, what will be the value of x? So what will be the value of x will be 5 into 3, because we want to see this product of these two numbers, that is this whole number, as a square of an integer, and to make them as a square of an integer we need these numbers, these prime factors as the power even number of powers. Okay, so therefore our x will be 15. We can also say x minimum will be 15. So now I hope it is understood well. So we will move to the next question then. Now see here, we will again apply a new concept. What is the value of p in x 8.34p7? Okay, we will write this. X is 8.34p7. So we need to find the value of p basically. So given that p is a prime number, okay, good. So p is a prime number. So what value it can take? P, because p is one digit, so it can take value like 2, all the prime numbers. You have one digit prime number, so 2 3 5 7. So out of these four digits, it can take any of the values. Okay, now when x is rounded to the hundreds digit, it becomes 8.35. Now this is here, from here we will get our answer. So when x is rounded to the hundreds digit, that means it is rounded to the decimal point 00, that is up to this point. So it becomes 8.35. So it becomes 8.35. So that means p is either equal to or more than 5. P is either 5 or more than 5. So we have our P as 5 or 7. Okay. So these two are the possible values of 5. But if we have to find a unique value of 5, so from given information we can't tell because it can take either of these two values, 5 or 7. But for the purpose of this question, our answer is P is either 5 or 7.